Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Mark Soluduafeme and the channel is M Scholar. Today I want us to discuss about how you create a brand new website from scratch for free within a few minutes without you having any knowledge about how to create websites or anything of such. And before I go on, I would like to invite you that if this is the first time you have encountered my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section letting me know what you feel you should be doing. Thank you very much. Let us dive in. Okay, just go to my browser. Here is my browser. First thing I would like to do is to go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT always have a role to play in many of the things that we need to do these days. It helps us to be fast. It helps us to be accurate and precise. Okay. I would like to type in here. This is ChatGPT. If you have not set up your ChatGPT account, all you need to do is to go to the web address that is displayed here. When you click on it, very easy. You go over to it and supply your details. That is your name, your email, and then your account will be set up. When you are done, it is free of charge. Please note that you do not have to pay anything for it except when you want to go pro. Then that is when you upgrade to Plus, which is just $20 or thereabout per month. But right now, let us use the free mode. Alright, so let's say that you want to create a website for selling shoes. So you now say, I want to create a website. Alright, that's supposed to be to create a website for shoes. Generate the outline, let's say outline for the websites. Right, then you hit on enter and you wait. So ChatGPT will generate an outline for you, what you need to have in your websites. As you can see, right, it's already done. It's already done. Then the next thing you need to do now is to go to your browser and type, let's say you type durable, or let's say you just click right on this and say how to create a website in seconds using AI. Then you will scroll down to the particular one that is called durable.co. Then you click on it. When you click on it, it comes up. This is durable. If you don't want to search it on your Google or whatever browser that you use, you can write down this address and then type it in your address bar, then hit enter, and then it will bring you to this space. The other thing you now need to do next is to hit on get started. Hit on get started. We're coming here. Let's hold on that yet. Coming here is now it's asking you what type of business are you building. You can write let's see what type of business. I think there's there is a list that you need to select from. We'll scroll down to something like let's say choose store. Don't forget that we say choose store, and then you hit on next. Right? What is the name of your business? Or will you say that is a name? You now say, let's say Mimi's shoes collection. Then you hit on next. You do that, you just wait out. The AI is building you a very crisp, very clean, and very beautiful website for your shoes business. It is done. Alright. You hit see it. You can see that the name is shoes collection. Alright. And then you can see the different colors of shoes, different types of shoes, women's shoes, and so on and so forth that have been listed. You can now click on this blue button, customize, to customize your business. At this point, you need to enter your email. Basically, you will need to create your account. You enter your email to give you the opportunity or you have the privilege to be able to supply the specific information that is, narrowed down to you. There, your email will be listed, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, your LinkedIn if you have one, and then it will give you the room to enter your phone number, your address. As you can see, it's showing location Abuja FC here. And then if there is any section you are not comfortable with, you can as well click again to ask it to regenerate that section. This is your contact section. If this is not fine for you, you can, let's try that out now. To ask it to regenerate that section, and then it will last it. If you have your own photos, you will add. Let's say I'm not comfortable with this section, I'll still regenerate this section. Whatsoever beautiful. Now these are school shoes, I think school white shoes or whatever they are, and then you beautiful. I think I'm fine. I'm okay with this one. And then if I'm not fine with this, you need to just hit regenerate, and then it will regenerate for you. And voila, you have your websites. Alright, you have your websites. Let's just do a little test. My name is Maxwell Dwafeme, and so we just go ahead and enter my email, and email is giving me room now to be able to see that this is the email. This is the website. It's been created. You want to add any section, you can add section. If you want to customize, you can now customize your email. See what we got earlier. When you are ready to publish, you can now hit publish. Let's do that. Of course, you will need to make some payment if you must publish your website, and that's a very small amount, $12 per month. $12 is just like 7,000 Naira for a woman. Have email, your website up and running. Thank you very much for watching. And if, like I said earlier, if it's the first time you have encountered my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you saw, you can also share with your friends, then leave me a comment so that we can improve upon the content that is being generated here every now and then. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day.